Hi, this is Katie. And in this video, we're going to go over our bookkeeping reviewing uploaded file chat. The first thing you're going to want to do is click Get for Free. And then you're going to want to go to your firm templates. Once you're in your firm templates, you want to go to chat. And then you want to open that template that we just purchased. In here, you're going to see that you have your template name. This is not available to the client, so you can name it whatever you would like. You can then choose who you want to send the message or who you want the message to be from. If you put it in your pipeline, it's going to send the same message to everybody from the same person. So choose carefully. And then if you want to assign a thread to one of your team members or yourself, you can do that. That means that they're going to get the responses in their inbox plus to respond to. Then you have your subject, which the client will see. And then you have your content of your chat message. Again, the client will see this also. So you want to make sure this says exactly what you want it to say. Make any changes that you need to, and then go ahead and click Save and Exit. Now you can send this as a one-time chat by clicking View, Chat, selecting who you want to send it to, and then going ahead and choosing the correct template. Again, you'll see your subject and the content of the message. You can set reminders at this level if you do not set them with your template. You can send messages through your pipelines, or you can send messages in bulk to your account by going to Clients and Accounts, and then going ahead and selecting all of your accounts. Or you can select just the account that you want to. Then you can go to More Actions, and then Send Message. Here you can see that I've got a new chat for 50 selected client accounts. I can select my templates. Then again, I can see my subject and the content of that message, and I can set reminders. And then I can go ahead and click Create Chat, and I'll send it to all of those clients. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.